Well, luckily, it's been a quiet hurricane season for us anyway. Let's check our Sunday weather. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Steve. Yes, and for us, it has been pretty quiet, although it's been wet for the month of October so far. And yesterday, these are the rainfall amounts. Some areas receiving close to 2 inches of rainfall, and that's for Fort Lauderdale. So even though most of the day it was relatively quiet, eventually when those showers and storms started developing later in the evening and nighttime, they really were soaking and drenching across the area. Those showers are moving offshore over the Atlantic. Behind that, a few of these light showers are developing and trailing behind the heavier rain. So right now, Broward and Dade, we're dealing with some light rainfall. They're quickly pushing through from west to east. Flood watch remains in effect through tomorrow evening, so that has been extended. Here's a look at future weather. What we can expect for today, well, basically cloudy skies. It's very cloudy out there right now. That's going to stay like that. Key West, you're going to see a heavy downpour maybe later on this morning, while coastal areas in Dade and Broward, it'll be a little lighter, but it does become heavier through the rest of the afternoon hours. And then as we head into the second half of the day, not much happening, but into the nighttime, once again, showers developing right along the coast, and they can be heavy. Now, from today through tomorrow, an additional 1/4 to 2 inches of rainfall expected across the area. Of course, there could be some pockets of heavier rainfall than that through tomorrow. Meanwhile, temperatures are starting off in the upper 70s, low 80s in the Keys. Key West, it is breezy with a wind out of the southeast at 16 miles per hour. Winds should be mainly east, but will start to turn more southerly throughout today. Small craft operators exercise with caution. Also, this tropical moisture associated with Tropical Storm Zeta, and unfortunately, Zeta is basically stationary right now. So this is going to take some time before Zeta starts to move more towards that northwest direction. Tropical storm watch and warnings for parts of the Yucatan Peninsula and western Cuba. As you can see with this forecast cone, it heads over the Gulf of Mexico, where it could become a Category 1 hurricane. And then later in the week, possibly late Wednesday into Thursday, unfortunately, making a hit for the Gulf Coast states. And here's a look at the computer models. They are much more in agreement now that we do have a stronger system compared to yesterday, where they were in huge disagreement as far as those computer models. All right, so we'll be dealing with moisture from Zeta. Grab the rain gear for today and even tomorrow. Now, as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, less moisture in the atmosphere and back to more of a typical weather pattern where we could deal with pop-up thunderstorms.